Hey guys, Joseph here from BlackBox My Car. Today I've got something special for you. This is a new dashcam battery pack from VIOFO themselves, the new VIOFO BP100. So what is a dashcam battery pack? For those of you who are completely new to this, a dashcam battery pack, it's like a power bank, but specifically for your dashcam to extend your parking mode. And what is parking mode? Well, it's for those of you guys who can't afford a Tesla with Sentry Mode. Parking mode is exactly that. It's the ability for your dashcam to keep recording even when your car ignition is off. And if that's new to you, well, make sure you hit that like button because we've got way more dashcam resources out there for you. So this right here, guys, is the BP100. This is VIOFO's take on the dashcam battery pack, and it's a 7,650 milliamp lithium-ion battery pack as part of their ecosystem of expanding dashcam accessories. If you're a dashcam nerd like I am, you'll probably know that there are a couple of other battery packs on the market today. You know, from Blackview themselves, we've got the B130A. Thinkware, we've got the iVolt Extra. From us, ourselves, we've got the BlackBox My Car PowerCell 8, and now VIOFO's joining the fray with their new BP100. And just to add, if you're in the entry-level dashcam battery pack market, there's also the Thinkware iVolt BAB50, and a new battery pack that we ourselves released recently, the BlackBox My Car PowerCell 5. So you're probably dying to find out everything you need to know about the new BP100. So let's dive right in with what's in the box. So this is the BP100 battery pack right here. This is the hardwire input cable. So this is the cable that you use to connect your battery pack to your fuse box for charging. Your hardwire output cable adapter that's 2 meters long. This is more for older VIOFO models. A cigarette lighter input cable for alternative charging method using your cigarette port. A cigarette lighter output cable that's 0.3 meters for connecting directly to your battery pack. A fuse set, a couple of Velcro mounting tapes. Now let's head back to the tech. Again, it's a 7,650 milliamp battery. What does that mean? According to VIOFO specs, on a 3-watt consumption, you can get up to 32 hours of parking mode. That's great for your safety. It also offers fast charging, so if you hardwire it, it's going to take 70 minutes. If you're charging it through the cigarette lighter port, it's going to take about 100 minutes. So let's take a look at the front. You've got your input port, your output port for all the cables that's either going to go to your fuse box or to your dash cam itself. You've also got an extension battery port. So this is where if you wanted to extend your battery pack even further, VIOFO has their own EP100 expansion battery pack that you can expand upon your main battery pack right here for up to 22,950 milliamp if you connect a few of the batteries together. Last but not least, you've got your Type-C port right here. This is for turning this battery pack similar to like a power bank for charging your phone, your tablet, or anything else that you want to charge in the car. And this USB-C port right here is 5 volt, 3 amps, which means it supports fast charging. Last but not least, Bluetooth is built into the battery pack, which means that it's going to connect directly to the VIOFO app itself. Again, it's all part of the VIOFO ecosystem of all their dashcam accessories. Really quick though, before we move on to the next section, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on everything BlackBox My Car. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to compare the VIOFO BP100 against our own dashcam battery pack, the BlackBox My Car PowerCell 8. Well, some say I'm maybe biased, but you know what? We're going to look at this objectively so that you understand which one to pick for your dashcam. Let's just get right into it. The main differences between the two battery packs is that the BP100, it's actually about just 2 inches shorter. In terms of height, they're more or less negligible. It's quite the same. And the PC8 is about 100 grams heavier. They both have Bluetooth capabilities. They just use different apps. One uses the VIOFO app. The other uses the Cellink app. If you take a look at the front of the unit, there's a USB Type-C port on the BP100, whereas on the PC8, it's got a USB-A port. And they're both 5 volt chargers, so they charge at about the same speed. And another notable difference is the fact that the VIOFO battery pack has about 150 milliamp more, which is about 2% more than what the PC8 has. And for the real world impact, you're probably looking at about 36 more minutes of runtime in a best case scenario. Now onto compatibility. Here's the thing, the cables that are within each box, they're virtually going to be very similar to one another. With the VIOFO battery pack, they're going to give you all the cables that you need for any VIOFO dashcam that you're planning on installing it with. But on the PowerCell 8 battery pack side, we did design it to be universally compatible with all the dashcams that are on the market. So when you're checking out, you can select the spliced output cable that you need for your make and model. So that's it, guys. That's the VIOFO BP100 and the BlackBox My Car PowerCell 8 battery pack. At the end of the day, they're both great options for maximizing your parking mode capabilities and to protect your car 24/7. They're both now available on the BlackBox My Car website, and you can find links to them in the description below. And again, I'm Joseph from BlackBox My Car. And if you're a fan, help me out here. I'm trying to build a video on gathering hot takes on everything in the dashcam market. So if you've got a dashcam hot take yourself, drop them in the comments below, and we might feature it in a future video. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.